So in this video, we will learn how to convert an octal number to a decimal number. So here, let's start with 47, which is an octal number. So we start with the rightmost digit here, which is 7, and multiply it by 8 to the power of 0. And the next digit will be multiplied by 8 to the power of 1, and so on. So here it will be 4 multiplied by 8 to the power of 1 plus 7 times 8 to the power of 0, and this will give us the answer of 39. So 39 is the decimal representation of 47 in octal. So another thing to notice is that what is this 10 and what is this 8? So 8 basically means any digit in the octal system can be anything from 0 to 7, not including 8. So it could be any number from 0 to 7. So you can see that we have 4 and 7. And for decimal, it could be any digit from 0 to 9, since if you count all the digits including 0 to 9, that will give you 10. And it could be any digit from 0 to 9 here, and the same wise goes here. So that's one thing to keep in your mind. And yeah, let's do more examples. So here we have 377 as an octal number, and we need to convert it to decimal. So same steps again: 8 to the power of 0, 8 to the power of 1, and 8 to the power of 2. Now you do 3 times 8 to the power of 2 plus 7 times 8 to the power of 1, which is just 8, plus 7 and 8 to the power of 1. So you don't need to multiply that. It's the same thing. It's just anything to the power of 0 is just 1, so you need to really write it. Now you just type this on your calculator and you will get 255, and that will be your decimal value for this number. And yes, that's your answer. So take a moment to pause the video and try to do this example yourself. So let's start by the rightmost digit. So it's going to be 8 to the power of 0. This is going to be 8 to the power of 1, and so on, 8 to the power of 3, and 8 to the power of 4. Now you do 2 times 8 to the power of 4 plus 7 times 8 to the power of 3 plus 3 times 8 to the power of 2 plus 3 times 8 plus 7, and this will give you the answer of 11999. So this is the decimal representation of 27337. So as for our last example, if you manage to do this example correctly, then you're a master at converting from octal to decimal. So take a moment and pause the video. Okay, I'm going to start now. So it's going to be 0 multiplied by 1. This is going to be 8 to the power of 1, 8 to the power of 2, 8 to the power of 3, and so on. So you know what, I'm going to write it down now. So it's going to be, first one is going to be 0, and we're going to start with 8 times 3 plus 4 times 8 to the power of 2 plus 1 times 8 to the power of 3 plus 4 times 8 to the power of 4 plus 3 times 8 to the power of 5 plus 5 times 8 to the power of 6. So actually this is going to be too big of a number, so I'm going to cut it off from here. And this will give you the answer of 1426200, and this is your final answer. Now, as always, I do have a shortcut method for you on the calculator. So all you have to do is open your calculator, and your calculator should have the base minus n option in your menu button, and you click on that. Base minus n equals 2. Now you excuse me. Now you look for the oct button on the calculator, OCT, and you click on it. And you just basically type your numbers now, so 5341430, and click on equals to. And all now you need to do is click on the decimal button on a calculator, DEC, and there we go, we got the same exact answer on our calculator. So I will be making a short video on how to show you guys how to do this on the calculator, and stay tuned for that, since of course it's more easy to look or see something being done rather than talk about it. And yeah, if you have any questions other than this, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And thanks for watching.